Would you believe that this smooth countertop with such a unique pattern was made from rough rocks? Yes, this is a granite countertop, and in today's Lord Gizmo video, we will take a look at how they are made and processed. But before that, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related videos. Granite slabs are mainly sourced from these quarry sites. These huge machines work together with trained staff to extract the rocks in this area. Usually, quarrying is carried out by using explosives and some intense planning. Since they are products of explosion, the surfaces of these rocks can be rough and unequal at first. So, they need to be cut and sized accordingly using these large saws. In some processing facilities, this is done through the help of automated diamond wire saws capable of precisely cutting the blocks into slabs. The size totally depends on what the site intends or requires. Once they have achieved a more uniform form and size of the granite slabs, the workers will check on them one by one. Then, they will be subjected to more shaping and finishing. To make the flow or work smoother, the slabs will be carried out by conveyor belt and different systems. While the slabs move along the facility, these machines make sure that the surfaces are smoothened and consistent thickness is present. Although most of the steps in this process are done mechanically, skilled workers are still there to monitor the accuracy of the whole process. Then, the slabs will be stored in this area and placed upright. The workers of the facility will slowly refine each of the slabs one by one. They will feed the slabs onto this sawing machine that will shape and size them according to the required specifications. It is quite noticeable how the machine has a constant flow of water while the blade or saw works its way to the granite slab. This is due to a number of reasons, but this is mainly done to prevent friction from damaging the blade, reducing the production of dust, and lubricating the whole cutting process. After that, the workers will measure each of the slabs and join them together with a strong adhesive. One of the most important parts of this step is making sure that the edges are not sharp and the surface of the slab is smooth already. Workers use a bunch of tools and equipment to help them achieve this look of the slab. Granite slabs can be used in different applications, but they need to be shaped and molded first. This is the purpose of the fabrication process. During this part, the workers will manually polish each of the granite slabs according to the shape or size that their application needs. To ensure a uniform and consistent look, they use specialized tools and specific templates of sink or kitchen countertop cutouts. These workers are also skilled at arts because they manually carve out the granite to unique shapes and patterns. But in other sites where efficiency and productivity is prioritized, they may opt to use machines that cut and carve granites according to their program. Then, the edges of the granite are polished and finished to make sure it is ready for installation. You might think that they are already installing the granite slabs here, but that is wrong. At this point, they are still making sure that all of the slabs will fit the application. Using advanced tools and gadgets, they will start measuring the kitchen and plotting where the granite slabs should be placed. Once they get the measurement they need, they start checking out the granite slabs to see if it is fit for the application. Then, a skilled worker will sketch out the cuts and adjustments they need to make. To make a better sense of how this granite slab would most likely perform or look like, they take a picture of it and plot it out on a piece of software. This software is also capable of cutting out or making a template of the cuts based on the shape and sizes they measured a while ago. Plus, the workers will get to see if a certain pattern of the granite slab would fit the whole design. Since this is digital, they are free to move things around until they are satisfied. After that, they will start processing the granite slab. Just like what happened earlier, these slabs will be cut down and shaped according to what they input on the software. Then, they are piled up according to what application they will be in. During this stage, the workers will start polishing all the granite slabs to prepare it for the installation. They need to go through these series of machines so they can be cut down properly. The measurements are followed down to the decimal points to make sure that it will fit whatever kitchen countertop it will be on top of. Robotic arms move with exceptional accuracy, programmed to follow specific paths across the countertop surface. This ensures a consistent level of pressure and movement, leading to a uniform and even polish. Different polishing pads with varying levels of abrasiveness are used in stages. Rougher pads remove scratches and unevenness, while finer pads achieve a high gloss finish. Water is still present in this stage because they act as a lubricant or coolant of the saws. They also add in a polishing compound that helps in refining the surface and achieving the desired sheen. Even when most of this process is done with the help of robots or machines, the hands of skilled workers are still very much needed. For example, these complex curves and intricate details will be very difficult for machines. Aside from that, bulky machines are not good at making sure that even the tiniest detail is followed. Hand finishing requires experience and an eye for detail to achieve a subtle, natural-looking polish that enhances the beauty of the granite. Since they are working with countertops, it is important that they add in the screws and bolts that will secure it. Finally, the granite slabs will be placed on a vehicle and will be packaged in a very secure way to avoid any damage. Now, it's time to install them. Different cuts are intended for different parts of the kitchen. Even without looking much at the template, these workers know what to do because they have been installing granite countertops for years. Aside from the installation itself, they are also securing it with adhesives, glue, and even other tools. At the end of this step, you will be surprised at how flawless the kitchen area will be. More than just a surface, each granite countertop is a unique work of art, shaped by nature and crafted with skill. Whether you choose a classic polished finish or a more rustic texture, it will add a touch of elegance and durability to your home for years to come. This has been Lord Gizmo, and we hope you learned a thing or two. Before you leave, please don't forget to show this video some love by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we have new uploads. You can also tell us in the comments section what videos you want us to feature next. Thank you for watching,